Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your iPhone display into black and white display. So let's get started. So if you don't want any color, you want it simply black and white display. First thing you're going to do is go into your setting. Now from your setting, you're going to go to accessibility. Now from accessibility, we're going to go into display and text size. Now from display and text size, we're going to go a little bit further down to color filters. So we're going to tap on that. From color filters, we're going to turn the color filter on and ensure that it's selected to grayscale. You could also put other color tint, but grayscale is going to give you that display color of a black and white. And if I go back here, as you can see here, everything on the phone is now completely black and white. So that's how you can get the black and white display on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.